Hey guys, it's Josh with the Fun Times Guide. And as you see here today, we have some hydrogen peroxide. Now, what's up with this? Well, a lot of people are asking online if hydrogen peroxide cleans coins. And I wanted to find that out for myself, because even though I don't really myself advocate cleaning coins at all, it's nevertheless to me a curiosity because I've never really seen hydrogen peroxide listed as one of the prime coin cleaning solutions. In most cases, it's either ketchup or baking soda and vinegar, salt, toothpaste. I have seen hydrogen peroxide listed on a very rare occasion as a solution, but because many people are asking about this, I wanted to find out for myself. So I took two very low value coins that would not be monetarily damaged, if you will, by cleaning them here. As you see, I have actually only half submerged them. I have a Washington quarter made from copper nickel clad, and I have a bronze Lincoln cent. And I wanted to see exactly how the two halves compare. Those two halves being the submerged or the potentially clean side, and the unsubmerged or unclean side. So we'll go ahead and pull those out in a minute. They've been soaking here for 24 hours, and we'll see what a day in hydrogen peroxide does to a coin. So let's go ahead and we'll pull out the Washington quarter first. Let's see here. And it looks like it has almost no effect at all on this coin. I can maybe see a little bit of an indication that there's a cleaner left than a more original right. But that's just to my eye, and I don't really think at all we've seen any kind of significant cleaning here. So it would be my conclusion in this experiment that the hydrogen peroxide was not very effective in cleaning this copper nickel clad Washington quarter. Let's see if the results with the bronze Lincoln cent are any different. Let's go and pull it out, and let's see. Well, once again, we see that maybe there's a slight difference, but really, after 24 hours in the hydrogen peroxide, I would say that the difference between the clean and unclean side is almost zilch. I mean, maybe the right's a little bit, gosh. All right, maybe right in there, if you can see where I'm running my fingernail, right along there, this side was submerged. And there is a line, there's a distinction there. And it's not just the liquid. You can see that even after rubbing off the liquid, the hydrogen peroxide, there's still some kind of a distinction there. But it's marginal at best. Maybe the right side's a little bit lighter, but that's about it. I would not say that this experiment has yielded very stark results. So we'll go ahead and rinse off these coins. I pulled the stopper up here in the sink so the coins will not fall down the sink. We'll rinse them off under cold running water, like so. And turn the water off so as to conserve our resources. We will pat, not rub, but pat dry the coins so as not to impart any hairline scratches. And we'll call this experiment maybe at best a marginal result. But as you see, yeah, I mean, there's a difference. The right half is a little bit maybe more resilient looking. It has a lighter color to it, maybe, but it didn't really lighten the coin that much at all. And copper, by the way, is a highly reactive metal. So if we're going to see any results, it's going to be with a copper. And even with a copper Lincoln cent, it's not a huge difference. And with this copper nickel Washington quarter, my goodness, I would say maybe a faint difference at best. So there you have it. Cleaning coins with hydrogen peroxide may not be effective. I say try it yourself at your own risk. With the knowledge that I do not support cleaning coins from the standpoint of the fact that most collectors prefer having uncleaned original coins, but these are the results we get here with the hydrogen peroxide. So thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and happy collecting.